Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to rank your store on Shopify, on Google, so that you can get more organic traffic to your Shopify store. So first of all, when you're on your Shopify store, if you're not already using blog posts, then you're definitely missing out on a lot of SEO or search-based traffic. Why? Because if you just create your own store, that will not be enough to generate organic leads and customers for your store. You will need to create blog posts and start creating more blog posts. So what blog posts essentially is basically writing an article on your store about something that people are searching for. Now, how can you find a blog post ideas? What I use is Mangools. This is basically an SEO tool that you can use to get more keyword ideas. As you can see, you search for a keyword idea. For example, let's say a keyword is SEO services, right? And then you will get a lot of different ideas right here and keywords, obviously, right? And then you will get also whether or not this keyword is possible to rank for or not. So for example, here it says possible, so that means this keyword is great to rank for, right? So this is what you can do with your Shopify store. You can search for a keyword that you want to create a blog post on right here, right? And then you can get a keyword, and then based on that keyword, you can start creating articles on your Shopify store, right? That will rank on Google. Now, just creating articles is not enough. You will need to have internal links and external links. So what are those? Internal links are basically links that you will put in your blog posts that are on your website. So these are internal links. These are your links, right? For example, let's say you're talking about a product in your blog. You can link your own product to that, sentence that you're talking about, right? Then external links are basically links where you're linking to other websites. Google usually recommends having external links that are leading to a website that you're connected to. So let's say you have another Shopify store. You can link to that Shopify store in your article, right? Or let's say you have a YouTube channel or something that's connected to your Shopify store, maybe an Instagram. That's an external link, right? So you can link those into your blog posts right here. Now, obviously, if you go here, create blog post, here we'll be able to create blog posts, as you can see. Also, excerpt is basically a summary that will appear on Google. So let's say we search for Shopify store. Here we'll have excerpt. This is excerpt right here, and this is basically a description, a brief description of your link or of your blog. As you can see, this is also a brief description right here. Now this is what this is, right? Then search engine listing preview. You can edit website SEO here as well. Page title, description, URL and handle. And here you can also put who is the author, blog, is it from news, is it for a new blog, right? Tags, you can put tags as well. Images, make sure everything like this is filled and make sure that the visibility is visible. Now this is one of ways how you can actually rank your store on Shopify. This is obviously first step, how to rank your store on Shopify on Google. Now, second thing is you can actually go to home and you can search for SEO tools that will help you, or SEO plugins that will help you rank your store on Shopify. Now here you can click SEO and you can go here and search for SEO in the Shopify App Store. Now this is what I have been doing as well, and it has been helping my store as well. So what you can do is you can go here, and here you have a lot of different SEO tools. You can try some of these tools. You can obviously, try different tools, but what I would recommend is these two tools are great. So Yoast SEO and SEO End. These are two of the best tools that you can use for your SEO. So with Yoast SEO, as you can see, it's $19 per month. You have 14-day free trial, but Yoast basically gives you all the tools that you need. You have, speed tested. It's built for your e-commerce business, right? You can get actionable SEO recommendations to grow your traffic. So Yoast is kind of like your friend that will give you recommendations what to do with SEO, even if you're not tech savvy. This is the first plugin. The second plugin is called SEO End. This is SEO and image optimizer. As you can see, this is also kind of like a friend because it will give you detailed on-page SEO scan report guides. It will automatically detect and redirect your 404 links. It will do a lot of different things for you, but this one is on more expensive side, which is $30 per month, but it also has free plan, which includes SEO checker, image compress and auto 50 images, and auto scan broken links and exchange backlinks as well as keyword suggestion tool. If you have a keyword suggestion tool, then you don't need this tool right here, but I would definitely recommend this tool as well. Now, having a good SEO on Shopify is expensive, but it will definitely help you get more organic customers in the long run. And also keep in mind that SEO works in months, not days. So if you're writing a blog and if it's not working yet for you, wait for 6 months to 1 year, and then you will be able to see, return on your investment. Now, these are basically some of the tips that I would do to rank my store, my Shopify store on Google. If you have any questions or concerns, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.